Wagwan. Yes, me there again once more, my people. Big up. Respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Yeah, my people. So I have videos that I'm going to present to you in this video, and I would like you to tell me what you think about these videos. Alright? So first things first. I am going to present a video to you that have been posted on social media, and based on information that I got about this video, allegedly it is said that a person who you can hear talking in this video was trying to expose a certain amount of person's living condition. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to tell me what you think about this video. And please bear in mind that people post videos on social media for many different reasons. See? And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. So viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Look on Jonjo. Look where Robert living here. Look where Robert and Monica living here in the Duxit. Pia Jonjo. Look at Boosie like a watch. I'll never too much. Pia Jonjo. Look on Jonjo. Look where my beard. Look at my mess. Look at my quality title to him I use. Look at Boosie like a dress up on a shine up lotion in a jerry curl. Watch him. Look on Jonjo up on the container them. Look on the walkway if you go up in their house. From the bathroom to your house. Look on Jonjo. Eh? Just look. Look at Jonjo. Look on germs. Look on Jonjo. Jonjo and mama for germs. Look on the door. Look on the door. Look on the pot them we are cook. Look on the plate them. Look on the turn up a cook. Look here. How much years to 18 years. Me I try make one little house. Me I can make kitchen and bathroom. Look on Jonjo them wash and cook right here. So look in the bedroom where much I will live in now. Look on the bossy people that we are call me madman. Me a defend cleanliness. Look what they call me madman. Look on them here. Every day I lie down in a bed, the coke themselves take it coke in Mali. Bunny grab on the Mali and lie down in a bed for me. Me wanna work. Say what the pack of cut. Me wanna work a bunny in a sun. Come in, come cook black pot. Look what you say me now cook. I say a future after 18 here. I go and call me madman. I got dogs is dirty. Look on dogs is dirty. Look on the bag of food.
Whoa, my people, hold on. Me have to stop this for a while. Come on. My people, that person really and truly just say certain things. Like, yo, no, so hold on. Alright, me go finish the rest of the video. Me go finish the rest of it. Observe with my people. Wow.
The bag of food ain't just coming with. Go load up one more, but Mandela send $5,000, come and take 2,000, give you $3,000. Look what the bag of food ain't saying coming with. Poor Mandela out there, the security guard. He don't even know. Them a fool him up a lie, mass up in head. Give Mandela coming with gun, high school. Him a cocaine, drugs man, give gun. Take away from me, take away Monica from me. Gone with him, breed him. Send him back out, slung in a yard upon me. Blood clot, after them fucking breed him, having me walk him out. Walk me out, blood clot, me mind him and him clot, blood. Now puff up and jug man go about in business at work. Alright, I'm running off here, see what I.
Alright, my people. Whoa. Alright, to be honest, I'm not sure what to say about that video. You know what I mean? But that person was really saying a whole lot in that video. Whoa. You know what? I don't go upset that the person is okay. You see me answer, because the way how me hear the person attack in that video, me only really and truly upset that person is okay. Me I tell you the truth, my people, because the person just say certain things. That the way how the person says certain things, I hope that that person is okay. Believe me. Alright, let me know what you think about that video, my people, because that is just one video that have me thinking. Next topic. Now, viewers and subscribers, I saw a video on social media that have me thinking. Yeah, the video shows a person holding a bottle, and at some point the person let go from the bottle, and what I saw in the video have me thinking. I wonder if what the person had done is an illusion, or if it's some form of trick, or what, viewers and subscribers. See? And would I like you to look at this video, pay close attention to a bottle that you can see in this video, and give me your opinion about this video, viewers and subscribers. And please do not try this at home. Do not try this at home. But let me know what you think, my people. Observe with me. Alright, my people. Now look at the video right there. Notice the person hold a bottle. See? Look carefully. Just look. Pay close attention right there, so. Okay. How is that possible? How is that possible? You know what I mean? So me I wonder if there's some form of trick to it. You know what I mean? Because you ever hear about smokes and mirrors and some of them little card that you can hardly see because it's so thin and kind of transparent, but it's really strong. You know what I mean? So all them things I think about. My people, tell me what you think about that video, because I'm not real. I'm not gonna make this video stress my brain too much. You understand? Now move on to our next topic. Now I saw a video posted on social media that shows how robbers robbed a person off a motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. Now I got the understanding that the video is being talked about on social media and someone brought the video to my attention. Now I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video had been recorded, but I got unconfirmed information as to where the video had been recorded. If you look at the video carefully, you can see the rear license plate of the motor vehicle that is said to be stolen or robbed from someone. And maybe you can be able to identify which country the video had been recorded in. I also got the understanding that more than one post had been made on social media with what is said to be the license plate number of the motor vehicle that was robbed from someone. And if you have any information that can help police to locate the motor vehicle that is said to be stolen or robbed from someone, contact the police. Now, based on information that I got and based on what I saw in the video, allegedly it is said that a person was sitting inside of a motor vehicle that was parked at a certain location when the person had been approached by a person who was holding something that is believed to be a gun. So it is said that at some point the person who was sitting inside of the motor vehicle got out of the motor vehicle, and the persons who are believed to be robbers got inside of the motor vehicle, and one of those persons drove the motor vehicle away, leaving the person who was first sitting inside of the motor vehicle. Now, one of the reasons why I am going to present this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. I'm also presenting this video to you to help bring an awareness. And if you want to ask me certain questions about this video, you can do so by leaving a comment or comments in the comment section of this video. And I will do my best to answer your question or questions if I can. You understand me? Anyways, my people, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look and observe with me. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, the motor vehicle that you're looking at right there, that's the motor vehicle. So yeah, that's the motor vehicle. Alright, so let's see what happened here. So now this is what I go on to some people. All them little things, them things are wickedness, them things, you know? You know what I mean? Them things are not right. For no, but I tell you. Well, where there's life, there's hope, viewers and subscribers. You know, once you have life, there's hope. You know, you can always buy material things, but you know, you can't buy life. You see me I say, but them things are not right though. See it, just ain't right. My people, let me know what you think about that video. You know, one of the reasons why I presented the video to you is because the video has been talked about on social media. Hopefully, the video can bring some form of awareness. But I mean, no one should be worried if them park their motor vehicle and waiting to do something or waiting for someone or whatsoever. By the way, I got unconfirmed information about the person who said to have been robbed by robbers, and I got unconfirmed information as well as to who that person might be. You understand me? Yeah, because the video had been posted out there on social media with the certain titles and them things. Them people, that's really actually a horrible, horrible situation in my point of view. And here's where I'm going to leave it. Stay safe, walk good, and until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.